What's good, guys? It's me again, I'm Ducky, and today I'm going to go over the best Memecoin technical analysis guide. Today we're going to cover methods, tricks, and ways to think about technical analysis. But before we get started, I'd like to invite you personally to join my Discord server. We are already at 500 members strong. We share advice, we share tips and calls and everything in there you need to grow and become a better trader. Actually, one of our guys the other day caught a buying coin at $50 million market cap, then it went up to 400 million and he made like a 20 something X. So yeah, go join the channel to catch more plays like those and help us grow our community. Once that is said, let's get started. First things first, what does technical analysis even do? We need to understand the charts as a reflection of people. All the candles you see, the candlesticks in here, all the section around here is composed by a bunch of people. And even if there are bots and stuff like that, they are also created by people, so they can be considered very fast humans. Technical analysis is the science slash art of studying those charts and looking for patterns. Why do I say science and art? Because yeah, there are some metrics, there are, indicators and stuff that are hard rock and that are in there, but a lot of it comes down to your own experience. A lot of the best traders in the world cannot fully explain how they know when to buy and when to sell, because it comes from a strategy and it cannot be explained or thought. You just, if you know, you know. You need to look at thousands of charts to become like them. There are ways to try and predict where the market is going next based on some metrics, based on some patterns, based on some indicators and strategies, of which I'm going to show you one today, the volume profile, one of the best for crypto. I know there are some people who think like this. There are some guys who go like, according to laws of supply and demand, your meme is going to, bro, shut the fuck up. I mean, I'm going to show you how to identify when a coin is dying slowly, but we're not for that in. We are going to the moon, boy. Let's start with bad and good technical analysis. I know we've all seen these charts, okay? I know we have all been raised by these charts, but I want you to completely forget about them. I want you to forget that the head and shoulders, the double bottom, the wedges, the flex, I want you to forget that those ever existed because they are bullshit. They try to be a be-all end-all approach when they are not. They try to be a, oh, if this happens then this is going to happen. It's sometimes it's gonna happen, sometimes it's not gonna happen, but when it happens you're gonna go like, hey, yeah, it happened, I told you, see, I told you. But bro, do not pay attention to the traders who push these courses and who sell these strategies, because they do not work. Okay, that's the consensus among professional traders, that they don't work. They are complicated and nuanced because two traders could be looking at the same chart and draw different patterns because they are not an exact science. They are pretty much astrology for men and have the predictive power of tossing a coin. So just do that instead if you want to throw away your money. Let's go over good technical analysis. What actually works? Good technical analysis is simple. As you can see, this is a clean chart. There are not lots of indicators, only the volume profile, which I'm going to show you later. It follows market mechanics, the fundamental aspects on how people buy and sell, and understand that charts are a bunch of people buying. Understands that you cannot just fit the market into one pattern and simplify it, that it's a lot more nuanced than that and tries to make money from that. It's volume based. It looks at where people are buying. For example, here in the volume profile, it shows you volume not across time like regularly you do, but across price levels. And if people are trading a lot around one area, then it's a bullish sign. I'm going to show you how it works. The story volume tells us. Volume is an indication of how many people want the coin and is directly tied to its price. In the case of meme coins, if there's lots of people buying, then it means that the coin is going to go up because there's going to be a lot of investors and a lot of new people coming into the coin. No volume, no opportunities for price discovery. And that's why I wanted to show you this chart, this little indicator around here, the BPVR, the volume profile visible range. Pretty much the longer a bar is, the more volume there is in that area. See the bars with no volume, for example, the short ones around here, for example. There's no volume around here, around the top, so it didn't even form a candle, it's just a wick. Around here, there is not a lot of volume, no price discovery, so the price gets shot straight through. There's only this, this green candle. The price didn't stay there, not for a second, not for a minute, it just shut up. No volume, no opportunities for price discovery. If holders and volume are growing, we're going places. Those are two metrics that you should pay a lot of attention to when trading meme coins. If holders and volume are growing, that just means that more people are being onboarded into the coin, and that's a good sign generally. Volume across price levels is one of the most powerful trading indicators. You know what? This indicator isn't even free. Like, Index Screener, it's completely free, but if you want to use it in TradingView, it's not. And it's for a reason, because it actually works. because this is the strategy that works and that other YouTubers won't teach you, because this is what actually makes money. This blue arrow in here, for example, this is where I first got buying. I caught it using this indicator and I promoted it to the guys in my Discord, and see, it dropped a bit, but then it went and did $270 million market cap. That's like a what? A 2x for everybody who bought around where I called it first. This is the power of indicators, of using the right correct strategies, and I want to teach you how to fish, not just give you a fish and tell you to fuck off. So let's go into the chart to see it play in action. Alright, this is the chart I was talking to you guys about, the chart for buying, and I'm kind of offline right now, but it doesn't matter. Look, this is what I wanted to teach you. These are a bunch of lines I drew, but like, this is actually, I still have it drawn in the chart where I shelled the coin first. Let's delete all this for a second. This is the indicator. You can customize how many bars you want. Remember, the longer these things are, the more volume there is in that area. And see, the more volume there is, the longer the price stays in there. There's lots of volume in here, so the price really like being in here. But in here, there's not that much volume, so the price just, boom, shut up. As I was telling you, the areas with lots of volume are sort of magnets. The price really likes being in there, and that's one thing that helped me understand. Like, here, not a lot of volume, the price went straight down. Here, lots of volume, it's a magnet. Price really likes staying around here. Here, not lots of volume, the price doesn't stay here a lot. But here, there's lots, price stays. That's one of the things that helps me. Just search in here. Volume, profile, visible range. This is the one you want to be using, and it's completely free on Dex Screener. It's paid if you want to use it in TradingView, but if you're in Dex Screener, then you're good, it's free. Now that we've established that charts are an indication of people trading, let's go over how it relates to the actual strategy of the markets, and how you can use it to time your buys and sells and to make money from it. Let's go over something that I've seen no one else talk about. This is completely created by me. I did not get any help from anyone to create this, and this is something that I got, as I told you, trading is an art, from looking at thousands of charts. The two-wave model. This is not going to be applicable for all meme coins, but if you open Dex Screener right now and see the charts, you're going to see that a lot of meme coins act like this. There's one wave, two waves, and then a coin dice. Let's go over the first phase, this huge valley around here, the accumulation phase. This is the pump fund migration around the first few candles. Actually, if you can see the second candle, that's the sell-off after pump fund migration. And or the insiders buy, people who know stuff we don't, like the coin being tied or being promoted by someone else, they buy around here. And once the coin starts getting traction, the first leg up happens. It's this whole thing. The Jeets sell around these little pullbacks that you see in here. It's the people who bought here selling and causing pullbacks, taking profits. The coin gains traction and starts going to the moon, for example, to Dex Screener training or something, and it gets attention from alpha groups. If you have ever been in an alpha group, you know how it is. Someone pushes a coin, people start buying it, and even more people start buying it, and it becomes a cycle. And what happens when the chart is structurally weak? This happens. The first dip. People start taking profits. People start selling. There's lots of people who are sitting on profit from here and who need to make money because that's what we are all in for. So they start selling. People like KOLs, the people who promoted them, and pump fund buyers, people who bought around here, they start dumping their bags and the selling pressure becomes too overwhelming, so the coin goes down. Price may fall 50% plus. This is not 100% as I told you, but my strategy from the video that blew up actually involves 50% plus dips. So I want you to pay attention to that because this is when the second wave starts. This one, the baby wave. Second wave, the dead cat bounce. This is traditional financial terminology. Imagine the chart is going down like this, but then it goes up like this, and people go like, hey, it's going up, it's going to the moon, let's buy again. But then the chart keeps falling. This huge move up was just a trap. That's why it's called a dead cat bounce, because the downtrend will continue, and this is when the guys, the dump money, the guys who buy around here and sell around here go in. So really, you should stay away from this stage of the two-wave model. If you want to get in at the first wave, or wait for a third or fourth wave, because, I mean, if the second wave is bigger than the first one, then it's good because it means that volume is growing and that people are paying attention. But if it's not, like a 99% of meme coins, then the coin dies after that. Just so that you don't say that I'm cherry picking stuff, let's go over some other charts. I literally just went to Dex Screener and look at the first dozen meme coin charts and pick the ones I like the most. Mario, Sol. First accumulation phase, first wave, second wave, coin dice, and the volume dice as well. Accumulation phase, first wave, dip, second wave, the coin dice. As I told you, this is not 100% accuracy, but it happens a lot of times, and this is something that I created myself from looking at a lot of charts. There is no one else involved in creating this, so really, consider it the next time you trade. Which wave are you currently in, and how can that make you better time your plays? Alright, now this is the part where I talk to you about being disciplined. Just do one thing and be the best at it. This is what I created this channel for, to get you all guys in the right mindset. Trading is all about finding something that works and doing it over and over and over again. Imagine your trading is like a little plant. Like a little plant that you want to become a flower and blossom and bloom, and Then what do you do? What do you do to turn that plant into a flower? You water it every day, and over the course of months, it's going to grow and become larger and larger and beautiful. It's the same with your trading. If you want your trading to become better and better, you need to treat it like that plant. You need to water it every day. You need to lock in, you need to go into the markets to trade and to become better and better every day. But not give up, because if you give up, if you stop watering your plant, then it's going to die, and the same is going to happen to your trading. Have you ever seen a heart doctor doing knee surgery? No? It's because he knows what he's good at and he sticks to it. It's because he knows he's a heart doctor and that's what he does, so he sticks to it and he's consistent at it. He's watering his flower consistently and he's becoming a better and better heart doctor. Because if he went to knee surgery, he'd have to start from zero and he would be over at square one again. And that's what I don't want you to do, to keep switching from thing to thing and having to start from zero over and over again, because that's something that has set me back for years and something that I don't want you guys to suffer from. Because if you stick for something for too long, you may risk seeing success. So don't do it unless you want to be successful. Don't water your plant for too long unless you want it to become a big, beautiful forest, because that's what's going to happen if you stick to something for too long. You're going to be successful at it, but you don't need to give up. As I told you in my video on how to become the best trader in 2025, 90% of people fail because 90% of people quit. And if you want to be successful, you cannot quit. Remember the guy who got rich from meme coins, dropshipping, selling courses, YouTube automation, SEO, and NFTs? Do you remember him? Me neither, because he doesn't exist. Focus and commit. Pick one of these. Pick the one you like, which I'm guessing is meme coins because you're in this video. Pick the one you like the best and stick to it and don't give up, because otherwise you're getting nowhere and you'll just be starting from zero over and over and over again. And that's what's holding many of you guys back. On being disciplined. As I told you about discipline, it's doing something you don't like relentlessly until you get the result you want. It's watering your flower every day until it becomes beautiful. It's going to the gym every day until you get ripped. Discipline is the single most trading strategy. Discipline is the single most important trading strategy for meme coin traders. If you had to pick just one strategy, go for discipline. Being disciplined and sticking to your trading strategy every day and making it better and better, that's what's going to make you profitable. That's what's going to give you $1 million. Fall in love with the process-oriented trading. I genuinely believe that no trader can make it without being in love with trading, with the activity itself, because this profession is extremely grueling and has a very low success rate. If you want to become a millionaire, do you know who else becomes millionaires? Athletes. National athletes who get signed on to their national team in a really good country. And you know how competitive that must be? To be signed onto the team of your country, do you know how hard that must be? Do you know how much time, how much effort, how in love they were with the sport they were playing? That's what I want you to do. I want you to adopt the professional athlete mentality if you want to become good at meme coins. I want you to lock in every day to do what an athlete would do and to keep doing it for a lot of time, for however long it takes until you become profitable. Okay, do not give up, because if those athletes had given up earlier, they would not have been signed onto their national teams. Do you remember this scene from Rocky 4, the one where he goes to Siberia and trains in the wild? And well, this scene lasts 3 minutes in the movie, 3 months in real life. Let that sink in. Nothing good comes easy. If you want to beat the Russian guy like he did, you need to lock in for a long time. That's the kind of mentality that you need to adopt if you want to become a good trader. You need to be disciplined to fall in love with the process. Coming to the end of the video, join our gang. Join our Discord server. Believe me, there's lots of disciplined people around here. We are around 500 members strong at the moment. We have our friends and family chat. We have my Ducky Thoughts channel, where I pretty much post everything I think and everything I believe in. This is where I posted the call for the buying coin and where I made people who bought in money. This is our general channel where people talk really about anything. Friends and family, that's a private channel. The guides channel where I post every guide I make and stuff. The P&L flexing for the guys who are actually making money. Go join the channel in the description. Join the community. I want to see you all guys in there. So, thank you for watching. like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for getting all the way through here. I will continue bringing you content like this. I promise that I will continue strong. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately because of school, but follow me on X2 because I post a little bit more in there, and I really want to keep in touch with all of you guys. So follow me there. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you got something out of it. Stay profitable. Peace.